Hi, my name is Alia Siddiq, and today in this lesson we will see some more types of parts of speech, and this is the last part, that is part 3. So let's begin. First of all, preposition. What does preposition mean? A preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words of a sentence. They explain relationships of sequence, space, and logic between the object of the sentence and the rest of the sentence. For example, I'm going to London. Mary was sitting under a tree. My brother lives in London. Now, all the words among these 3 sentences, to, under, and in, they are known as prepositions. There are a few interesting linguistic facts about preposition. Firstly, they are a closed class of words, which means no new preposition gets added to the language. Second, prepositions do not have any other form. They cannot be plural, possessive, inflection. Third, most of the prepositions have many different contextual and natural uses, so it is easy to be confused about preposition. Fourth, sometimes a preposition works as nouns, adjectives, and adverbs. Prepositions can be of 1, 2, 3, or even more words. Prepositions with 2 or more words are called phrasal prepositions. For example, because of, in case of, instead of, by way of, etc. Preposition of time. Prepositions of time show the relationship of time between the nouns of the other parts of a sentence. For example, I will meet my friend at 6 o'clock. The business company called meeting on 25th December. There is a holiday in June. Now again, all these words like at, on, or in, they can be taken as the prepositions of time. Prepositions of the place and direction. Prepositions of place show the relationships of place between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. For example, she is not at home. They came from Italy. The police broke into the house. Now the words at, from, into, they are considered, in terms of the prepositions of place and direction. Prepositions of agents or things. Prepositions of agents or things indicate a casual relationship between nouns and other parts of the sentence. For example, this is a new book. Most of the friends have already left. I will always be here for you. Phrasal prepositions. A phrasal preposition is not a prepositional phrase, but they are a combination of 2 or more words which functions as a preposition. For example, she, along with her family, went to Atlanta. According to the new rules, you are not right. Now, next one is conjunction. Now, what does conjunction mean? Conjunctions are used to join clauses, phrases, and the words together, or constructing sentences. Conjunctions make a link between or among the words or groups of words to other parts of the sentence and show a relationship between or among them. For example, Ali and Ahmad are working together. I like tea, but I don't like coffee. I play cricket and Robin plays football. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunction used to join 2 words, phrases, or independent clauses. which are similar in structure. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions which are by far the most common conjunctions. That is and, but, for, nor, or, so, and yet. For example, we went to the stadium and enjoyed the cricket match. Do you want chocolate or coffee? Lastly, we have subordinating conjunctions. A subordinating conjunction joins elements of an unparalleled sentence structure. These elements are usually a dependent clause and an independent clause. Most commonly used subordinating conjunctions are after, how, then, when, although, if, etc. For example, before we left home, I had had my breakfast. Provided they come, we can start class Tuesday. When he was washing my car, I went to the store. Okay. Thank you so much for listening. And if you like this video, you can share this video with the other teachers. Okay. And then you can click on the button, like. And you can even share with other, friends, colleagues, and also subscribe it. Thank you once again.